Hey everyone, this is Marcy. She's my dog, and I'm gonna interview her. So, Marcy. Okay, is that more comfortable for you? First question. Who's a funny puppy? Who's a funny puppy? Yeah, that's you. You's a funny puppy. Next question. What kind of butts are the best to sniff? I think I know the answer to that. Yeah, you like getting up in that kitty's butt over there. Is this the kitty over there? I thought I heard her meowing. Yeah, you like getting up in the kitty's butt. That's gross. Why you like the smell of poo so much? It's okay. Where's that kitty? So, next question. Do you think midnight barking should be constitutionally protected as free speech? Those last two are from Friends, by the way. I solicited questions on the Twitters. Unfortunately, my dog does not speak English. And she's very old and stubborn. So all she really wants to do is sit here like this. Who's that dog? So, Marcy, what do you think about famous character actor Richard Kind? I like him too. He's got very distinct features. So, Marcy, last question. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Huh? Who's a good girl? Is it you? Is this a good girl? Yeah. Are you confused? You have no idea what's going on? It's okay. Neither do I. Hey, there's that cat. Bye, cat. Bye, Marcy. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Yeah.